just few minutes of learning. I put on our Just Breathe group this map of consciousness. Okay. So many of you have learned this map of consciousness, that how at the bottom of the funnel is your emotion which are very negative. So your frequency is very low. So whatever you attract in your life, whatever you give depends on what is your frequency, and that frequency depends on what emotions you are entertaining. So you can see that at the lower end, all the low negative emotion like shame, guilt, grief, fear. So up to 100, up to fear, these frequencies are called down and dumb frequencies. Down in the dumps. So whenever you're experiencing that frequency, how how does it decide that what is your frequency is whatever you are inviting from outside and whatever you are emitting from inside. So what emotions you have stored in your subconscious, which is it depends on whatever experience you have had, so that, and then whatever you feed in. Okay, so people you are surrounded with, if you are surrounded with all kind of negative people all the time, cribbing, complaining, fear, social media, news, all that will form a major chunk of the thoughts and emotion which you have through the day, and that decides your frequency. So if you are vibrating at 100 below frequency, all the time you'll go on inviting some negativity in your life, you'll go on inviting some financial trouble, health issues, and all that. Then once you start to move up, so you take some help, you take a medical help, or you take help like this, and you start to change. So then you start to get in a more positive thing. So the second level is your desires. Then you feel like, okay, I have these desires I want to fulfill, and you try for fulfilling your desires. Okay, what happens that if the desires get fulfilled, then you get pride. Oh, I'm so good, I'm able to fulfill my desire. If the full desires are not fulfilled, then you start to get anger. So you move between this desire, anger, and pride. So next level happens when you become courageous. Okay? You are ready to face the world, you are ready to face the challenges. Okay? Then, so the first landmark that happens is at the level of fear. So that is called down in dumb frequency. Till then you move into a little more positive, not really positive, but more, what you say, more energy and more power to you. Then the next level of jump happens at neutrality. So after neutrality, then you go really into the positive cycle. This is where the learning starts. Now, before that, you're only trying to, solve the problem, face the problem, or meet up with your day-to-day life or your, dreams and all that. But beyond neutrality, then actually the willingness to look at your life in a more objective way, acceptance, okay? Acceptance of what you are, that start, then the learning cycle starts. Okay, once you get into the learning cycle, then you start inviting all the positive things in your life, be it your health or money or relationship or situation, and then the further growth happens. So if you look at this, all these frequencies which are there, it is like 10, 35, 100, but it's not actual 10, 50 or 100 number. It's a 10 raised to power. Okay? So when you are moving in the positive direction, that much proportion your energy levels are changing. And that is what those vibration you set out to the universe, and then you start to attract things. So currently, if you are facing any difficult situation in any area of your life, it may be health, maybe relationship, maybe money, you try and look at this graph and see what out of these, what emotions you are entertaining at present, what emotions are being absorbed by you from your surroundings, and then you try to work upon it and you understand that, okay, why am I repeatedly inviting this situation in my life? Because of this. It's a very profound understanding, and you get a lot of answers to the question that you have about why you are facing particular situation in your life. Okay? Now we learn in all this, how do we continuously try to raise your frequency so that you don't get gripped by the lower frequency. Okay? So by doing all this sadhana, by doing all this meditation processes, kriya, you try to raise your frequency. But only that is not enough, because you do this maybe few hours in a week. Rest of the time, your mind, your emotion, your subconscious, the subconscious of people around you, all that keeps on, influencing you. So how do you get into a state where, despite of being surrounded by negativity, you are able to maintain that? The more you rise in your frequency, the more will become the strength of your awareness, so that instead of people influencing you, it will become the other way around. Your positivity will start influencing the others. So that is, the reverse cycle is started. Now we will do some kriya and do this small exercises. When we take the session and tell what happened, class khatam hua, then we get started with our routine. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम मैडम ने पूछा, ओ हुआ ही नहीं. सो आज के दिन में टाइम निकाल के ये करो एक्सरसाइज, देन इट विल बी वेरी, इट विल गेट इंटरनलाइज. राइट. So now we will do kriya and meditation, and also for meditation, more and more your strength of awareness should increase, so that on your own you are able to get into that state. Okay? That is what the next year's program we are focusing on. Different methodologies of meditation, so that you understand meditation also from all the angles and not dependent on one particular technique. Okay? Right. So we'll do now kriya.
Ma'am, what is neutrality of the emotions?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Okay.
I'll put some things on the group. So it's saying about neutrality. Is that right? Yes. So see, when you start from negative cycle to positive, so there in between stage where you are neither negative or not yet positivity has started. Okay? Like suppose you have very enmity towards somebody, बहुत दुश्मनावट है, आप उसको, इसके बारे में बहुत नेगेटिव सोचोगे, इसके बारे में ill feeling रहेगा, then you realize that, okay, this is not helping, I don't want to have any bad feelings about this person, let me not fight. But at the same time, you are not got the warmth for that person, you stop fighting, but you have not yet developed any loving emotion toward this person. So that stage is neutrality. And next, when you move on, you actually getting, that's more about yourself, that you come out of the negative cycle, but yet not positive cycle has not yet started. That is that border. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.